City of the South. So welcome to Cebu City. This is my second time to visit here. Ang first time was during NADCON and JCI, and now Rotary naman. So what I am excited to be here is that afternoon training. Kasi last time hindi ko nalipot ang there's no tour. So magkakaroon kami tour on after the training. Kino Moreno Stories, George City. Thank you so much. Morning everyone, it's my second day here at the Queen City of the South at dito sa Bay Hotel. Grabe ang breakfast. So this is our last day of training. So excited na rin makagraduate at makapagsuot ulit ng aking sablay. Second day here at Bay Hotel Cebu for my President-elect, Secretary-elect, and Club Learning Facilitator learning seminar. So, ang attire natin ngayon, white, black suit. So, preparing. So this is my second day and I'm done with my training. Going to EJ Hotel na for our land tour. Ayun. And then based on my experience, so far so good. Mukhang gusto ko mag-stay dito sa Cebu. And to understand more yung kanilang dialect. Ayun, gusto ko matutunan yung kultura, yung mga events nila dito. So hopefully next time from Bohol, balik ulit tayo dito sa Cebu. So ito na yung paborito kong tulay.